Hey there. Vending is a business of small numbers repeated a lot, which means a machine can underperform for months before you notice, unless you're tracking each one separately. Let me walk you through the Vending Machine Business Tracker, tab by tab. Start on Settings. Your business details, your commission defaults, and your tracking year entered once. The Machines tab lists every machine, where it sits, what it cost you, and when it went in. The basis for every per machine number later. Products holds your cost and sale price per item, so your margin per line is set before anything sells. The sales and restock log is the working tab. Every restock visit by machine and product with revenue and cost worked out for you. Cash reconciliation matches the cash you actually collected against what the machine says it sold, which is how you catch a jam, a miscount, or shrinkage. Commission payouts tracks what each location owner is owed, so those checks go out on time and land in your costs. The dashboard ranks your machines and locations by revenue and profit, so you can see which spots earn their keep and which need moving. And the ROI calculator tells you how long a machine takes to pay for itself at its current rate, the number to check before you buy the next one. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.